Oh my god, I'm by myself.
Delta November 442,
Oh
Hotel Bravo.
my god, I'm by
short
myself.
Runway 18, ready for takeoff.
442 Hotel Bravo Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Left traffic, runway 18, clear for takeoff. 2 Hotel Bravo.
And Springdale Tower, Skyhawk 2819 Quebec is at the west ramp with the weather, ready to taxi to remain in the pattern for full stop taxi backs.
Number 2819 Quebec ground, runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
18 via Alpha, 2819 Quebec. Alright, 18 via Alpha. Clear left, clear right. Let's do it. Let's do it. You can go around if you need. Go around if you need. We got this. At Springdale Tower, Skyhawk 2819 Quebec, holding short 18, ready to go.
Number 2819 Quebec, Springdale Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, make left traffic. Traffic to Cessna downwind, approaching a left base.
Make left traffic, runway 18, clear for takeoff. We'll be looking for the traffic, 2819 Quebec.
2 Hotel Bravo, traffic departing priority route.
Yeah, I do not have Hotel Bravo
2 Hotel Bravo.
sight. I see him. He's on the downwind. Let's go. Full power. Alright, little right rotor. Engine instruments are in the green. Airspeed is live. There's 52, rotate. Little right rudder. $72 knots. I see no traffic. $1,800 feet, 100 feet to go. There's 1900, we'll make our left crosswind. So there's no traffic anywhere near us, so we are able to make our crosswind this early. Put the nose down just a hair. We are getting a little slow. 70 knots. Already at 2,400 feet. Make a little left downwind. Listen for your call sign now.
Cessna 2819 Quebec, runway 18, cleared to land.
18 cleared to land, 2819 Quebec. Alright, car repeat. Back down to 1700 RPMs. A little lower. Alright, get the nose down, flaps. Alright, we'll start making our turn. 75 knots, looking great. Alright, funnel is clear. Make our final turn. We've been cleared to land, so we're not going to do a touch and go, we're going to land. Looking at the numbers. Little right rotor. 70 knots, looking good. Little high.
Cessna 2 Hotel Bravo, runway 18, cleared touch and go.
Runway 18, clear for touch and go. 2 Hotel Bravo.
Alright, over the numbers. We're going to cut the power eyes at the end of the runway. Gonna hold it off. Hold it off. And a baby. Oh! Oh! That was so good. Holy crap. Oh my god. Woo! First one down. 2 to go. Woo! Carved in.
Cessna 19 Quebec, taxi to runway 18 via Alpha.
18 via Alpha, 2819 Quebec.
Nice job, Xander.
Thank you. Flaps up. Clear left. Clear right. And Springdale Tower, Skyhawk 2819 Quebec, holding short 18 ready for departure.
Sorry, I was on the line with Razorback. Was that 19 Quebec calling?
Yes, sir. 2819 Quebec is holding short 18, and we're ready for departure.
Number 2819 Quebec Tower, runway 18, cleared for takeoff.
18 clear for takeoff, 2819 Quebec.
Tower 7715 Golf, establish inbound, RNAV 18.
Final is
Number
clear.
7715 Golf, Springdale Tower, runway 18, cleared for the option. Your number 2, following Cessna, midfield left downwind. He'll be on a short approach.
Okay. See 4 Hotel Bravo.
Clear for the option, number 2, 15 Golf.
Runway is clear, let's do it. Heels to the floor. Full power. Engine instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive. Air 53 will rotate. Take it up. Alright. Here comes 1900 feet. Pretty quick. No traffic that I see. And there's 1900 feet.
Cessna 19 Quebec, extend your downwind for sequence. I'll call your base.
Extend downwind for sequence, you'll call my base 2819 Quebec. Alright. Extended the downwind, so do not turn until he tells you to. Yep, it might be a minute. Alright, 4 Hotel Bravo is on the ground. I know there's another, I see him. I have the traffic inside.
November 2819 Quebec, traffic here following to Cessna, 1 mile final, descending out of 1,900. Do you have the Cessna in sight?
Traffic is not in sight. We're looking for the traffic. 19 Quebec.
Number 19 Quebec, Roger, just continue on the downwind now, and I'll let you know when to base.
Roger, I got the traffic inside actually for 19 Quebec.
19 Quebec, Roger, runway 18, cleared to land.
18 cleared to land, 19 Quebec. Alright, traffic is right there to our left. He just crossed our wing. We're going to wait just a second to turn. We'll turn right now. 2, 3. And flap set. 10 degrees.
15 Golf, going miss.
15 Golf's missed.
Number 15 Golf, Roger, continue runway heading for now.
Runway heading 15 Golf.
So he's on the upwind. Alright. Final is clear. Let's do this. Make it another good one. Okay. Eyes on the numbers. A little bit high. You could just cut the power right now. Eyes to the end. Don't be pressured. Oh! 2 for 2.
Or 19 Quebec, if able, turn right on Alpha 4. You going back for another one?
Yes, sir. We're going back for one more.
19 Quebec, Roger, turn right, taxi via Alpha, or taxi runway 18 via Alpha.
18 via Alpha to 19 Quebec. And Springdale Tower, Skyhawk 2819 Quebec, holding short of 18, ready for departure.
Cessna 2819 Quebec, Springdale Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
18 clear for takeoff, make left traffic, 2819 Quebec. Alright, heels to the floor, full power. Little right rudder. Little right rudder. Engine's in the green, airspeed is alive. 52 rotate.
November 2819 Quebec, runway 18, cleared to land. Your traffic to follow is a short final now, descending out of 1,800.
18 cleared to land, we got the traffic, 2819 Quebec. Alright, traffic's in sight, he's off for my left wing. Go and get some flaps in there. Alright, he's just crossed my left wing, we're gonna wait just a second for me to turn.
DB Alpha.
A little bit more flaps. Yeah, perfect. Final is definitely clear. Alright, eyes to the end of the runway, little left rudder. Coming a little hot. Okay, kind of floated it a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo! We're done. That's it.
19 Quebec, looks like you got a crowd. Nice job, young man. Taxi parking.
Yes, we do. Taxi to parking. Thank you. 19 Quebec. Right, clear left, clear right. All right, music.